Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your GoodBaby UU24 baby monitor. Let's get started. First, flip the monitor over and use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen the screw. Then, use a pry tool to open the case carefully. Gently take out the antenna module. Be careful, the cables inside are delicate. Remove the old battery and replace it with the Cameron Sino CS-HBU240SL battery. Secure it with double-sided adhesive. Put the antenna module back in place. Snap the case together, and tighten the screw. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the battery on your GoodBaby UU24 baby monitor. Thank you for watching.